Folks, another pleasant day across the valley. We started cool this morning, then warmed up a decent amount, up to 70, 72 across the area. Mostly sunny skies, just patchy high clouds. That's about it. This is the view right now. Things in pretty good shape on satellite and radar. Nothing on radar, it's just satellite. Let's watch Future Track. Says tonight's pretty quiet as well. Skies stay just partly cloudy overnight. It's chilly. Lows are going to drop down around 40 or so. And then tomorrow afternoon, it's a mix of clouds and sun. Probably more clouds tomorrow than today, but still a nice day. Temperatures bounce back up in the low 70s again briefly during the afternoon. Thursday, I think a few more clouds. By then, we're mostly cloudy, but temperatures are able to rebound because by then the wind's back out of the south. Southerly wind warms things up, and some places might push 80 on Thursday, but that'll be the end of that because a front comes through early in the morning on Friday. Behind that front, the map turns green. Rain, drizzle. It's just messy on Friday. With that strong north wind, our high temperature for the day will probably be right before the front comes through, and readings will tumble through the 50s. Models are suggesting, you'll see in the next half hour, that some temperatures Friday afternoon, instead of being in the 70s and like Thursday, probably only in the 40s. Much cooler on Friday. So we're dry tomorrow, 10% on Thursday, and then Friday our rain chance jumps up to 80%. That's a change from yesterday because this upper air disturbance that's triggering this stuff is going to hang back for a while and give us that increased chance of rain on Friday. And it could be just one of those messy winter days across the area. Current temperatures look like this. It's cooling off quickly. 60 in Edinburgh, 59 in Weslaco, Port Isabel, same thing. Still 68 in Rio Grande City. Lows tonight, low to mid 40s across the area. A little cooler in the west, a little more mild in the east, but a chilly night across the region. And then tomorrow back in the 70s, pretty much valley-wide, 70 to 71, 72 in a couple of spots, but still a cool day with just a few more clouds than we saw today. Look at high temperatures. The normal for this time of year is 73. Tomorrow, not quite there. Thursday, up to 77 degrees. And look at Friday, 55, and that may be a morning temperature. Again, readings could cool into the 40s by afternoon, so a much chillier day on Friday. This will probably be just a one-day cool down. We'll start to bounce back again on Saturday. Across the rest of Texas tonight, it's cool. 48 in Austin, 53 in Dallas, 54 in Houston at this hour. Not much happening in the state cloud-wise. Most everybody saw sunshine today. You watch Future Track. There's our front that came through earlier, bringing that slightly cooler, slightly drier air in. Still, though, the southwest flow aloft because of the big low over in the Baja Peninsula, giving us a southwest flow, and that brings an awful lot of moisture in. That gives us a lot of clouds, mostly high clouds until this front goes through. That happens Thursday night, Friday morning, and behind it, the light rain and drizzle breaks out over in the higher elevations way to the west in the mountains. There'll be some more snow, but that's a long way away, and that's really high up. Nothing like that here. Temperature's way too warm. That low starts to lift out by the time we get to Saturday, and once it eventually does lift out, then our chance of rain will taper off. We should get back to some sunshine for the second half of the weekend. If you're headed to the coast in the morning, temperatures cool to start the day, but we warm up quickly. 66 degrees. Winds kind of turn around as the day goes on out of the southeast by afternoon, 67. UV's moderate. Rip current risk stays low. The surf temperature's a cool 65 right now. Here's a look at the tides. There are two. Seas just 1 to 3 feet. The bay is smooth. So aside from the cool temperatures, a pretty day at the coast. So for the valley tonight, 40 for your low temperature. That's your average. Mostly clear, chilly night with light northerly breezes. Then tomorrow back to 71. Plenty of sunshine. Some high clouds start to streak in from the southwest. Southeast winds continue at about 5 to 10. So here we go. The next 3 days, we see the big change coming from Thursday to Friday. 77 Thursday, clouds thicken up. Then Thursday night, all day Friday, I think it's just rainy and cold. That lingers into Friday night, even perhaps early Saturday morning. So a morning shower Saturday. By afternoon, some sunshine moves back in. We saw last week how quickly you can go from, cloudy, damp weather to sunshine. It'll be a lot like that on Saturday, probably clearing out in a hurry without the snow, and then mostly sunny after that for the rest of the weekend. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.